Hey, and fuck you to whoever put together that 2-minute clip of me just saying.
I think
they're trying to be.
I need that.
Nah,
I didn't see that. Savon, can you pull that up?
Nah, fam. Because you know why that's funny? Let me tell you why that's funny. Yo, a while, at least 8 months ago, I got a string of tweets from people, or just searching my name, seeing people say, yo, that little hiss shit that Joe does is the most annoying shit in the world. And me, I went and tried to look for it, and I didn't know what they was talking about. I thought they were just freestyling. Right. And then the other day, I bumped into a clip of nothing. It's like 90 seconds of all of my shows from different days saying.
I think
I never knew I needed to see that as much as I do right now.
Wow.
Yeah,
okay.
I'll be searching that.
Yeah, I'm searching that.
Tweet us that link.
Please.
Don't tweet y'all that.
Find
It'll
it.
be in my
tweet it.
favorites.
Yeah, for sure.